AAA security architecture, the process of tracking accessed services as well as the amount of consumed resources, is called which of the following? Well, we have authentication. It's the first one. Authentication is verifying the person or persons' ability to get into somewhere, like a phone, for example. You can verify the person's identity with like a passcode or a password, and are they allowed to get into this device? Or are they not? This is the authentication. Authorization, the next one, refers to the process of granting or denying permission to access like a phone or a computer, whatever have you. Authorization is, are you authorized to be in here? Lastly, accounting. It's accounting for the things you do, your actions. So accounting is the process of tracking access services as well as the amount of consumed resources. That is pretty much it. You have authentication, the password stuff. You have authorization. Are you then allowed to be in here? And you have accounting, just tracking the things that you do. So accounting is our answer.